Hi there, I'm Wendy Sheffro, Assistant Director of School Nutrition in North Carolina.
And I'm Marty Johnson, Director of Child Nutrition for Wilkes County Schools.
Hey Marty, why don't you tell me how you guys use the North Carolina sweet potato in your district?
In Wilkes County, we use North Carolina sweet potatoes in multiple ways. We use a fresh baked sweet potato that we wash with a vegetable brush. Then we let it drain and we put it in the oven and bake it at 350 for approximately about an hour. Each oven bakes a little different, so we don't put a time. We just say till it gets tender.
And do you have to wrap it in foil or poke it or anything?
We do not. We do not wrap it in foil just as a cost-saving measure to child nutrition because foil is very expensive for us. We serve those on a plate with a home-style meal like a chicken breast, a roll, an apple, and a milk. And on this plate before you, there's a salad option that you could change out with the baked sweet potato as well.
We also do baked sweet potatoes and again with scratch entrees like well, we especially love it during our holiday season. We do a sweet potato souffle, but the whole sweet potato, like with country style steak or chicken vegetable casserole, it pairs really well.
Great. And we also use the sweet potato, North Carolina sweet potato products from our processing and U.S. commodity. We'll switch this over to this plate to kind of give a visual. With commodity products, we can use our dollars to purchase processing, and we can process with things like tater tots, sweet potato crinkle cut fries, sweet potato wedges. But there's also
and purees too.
And purees,
yeah.
That's true. And then we also we don't use it in our district, but there is an option to make your own sweet potato wedges.
Well, I find the North Carolina sweet potato very versatile. It can be a side dish, which is primarily how we use it, but it could also be the center of the plate, which this is this chili stuffed spud with some shredded jack. That's also a USDA commodity. It's economical. It's I believe this is around 16 cents per serving. And I know on our DOD, a whole sweet potato is about 30 cents. So it's a very economical and versatile product that we enjoy using in our district.
I agree with you. We love the cost savings from the commodity. From processing for sweet potato tots or crinkle cuts, it's about a 7-cent savings. And when you're serving almost 9,300 students, 7 cents makes a big difference. And then our wedges, it's almost a 10 cents savings. And that adds up with 9,300 plates every day.
You better believe it. A great resource for North Carolina sweet potato recipes can be found in the Farm to School Cookbook.
And don't forget to highlight North Carolina sweet potatoes and other North Carolina grown products on your serving lines and your menus. And don't forget to try one of our delicious North Carolina sweet potatoes the next time you're in the cafeteria.
Yeah.